What is an ignition coil? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, ultimately, an ignition coil is a voltage multiplier. So we have a spark plug, and we need to fire that spark plug. We have to have a spark jump the little gap in here. Now, it takes anywhere typically from 4 to maybe as much as 20,000 volts, depending on the conditions, to jump that gap. Our battery and alternator run at about 14 volts. So basically, we take that 14 volts in here, we have a coil, we multiply the voltage, and now we're able to spark that spark plug. So ultimately, ignition coils make our spark plug spark, and they do that by increasing the voltage to the voltage necessary. Hope that's been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.